So hello guys, welcome all of you. So today in this particular video, we are going to discuss about one of the highly demanded approach for drug discovery in this current era, where we are trying to identify the potential drug targets based on the different approaches. Okay, so majorly in this video, we are going to see that how using the bioinformatics approach, we can design a potential drug targets based on the existing drug information. And that approach is called as a drug repurposing. Okay, so the drug repurposing is also known as drug repositioning or else drug reprofiling. So basically in this particular process, we are trying to discover a new uses of existing drugs that are already been approved for the treatment or some condition. Okay, so in this particular analysis using drug repurposing approach, many of the researchers are trying to explore the existing drugs to identify the potential therapeutic applications beyond their original intent use. So it do contain several reasons where drug repurposing can be applied. The first is to reduce the development time as well as the cost in the pharmaceutical company. Whereas it also helps us to reduce the risk accordingly with the failures of the drugs. And it do contain and treatment options based on the existing drug information. And that's why this process is playing a very significant role to screen the entire big molecules or as the existing molecules where we do know their potential mechanism. So if we just move ahead to use certain information to identify the new potential drug targets based on the existing information, then definitely it will provide a very useful application in drug development as well as new technologies where we can integrate with the identifying and understanding the drug resistant mechanism and move ahead to identify the potential drug targets, right? So that's why we have to know that is there any specific database or else the resource available in the bioinformatics platform where we can explore ahead to perform a certain kind of identification of potential drug targets. And remember guys, yes, we can do that. Okay, so in bioinformatics platform, we have certain databases where we can move ahead to screen entire list of drug molecules. Maybe it contain a complex or the big data, and then we can proceed ahead to explore accordingly. So the name of the database is DrugRep. Okay, so as you can see that this is basically it's used to repurpose the drug, and it is one of the computer-aided drug discovery online tool where we can perform the virtual screenings of the drugs, and then we can look for the one of the major application that is drug repurposing. Okay, so I'm going to share this link in the chat box or as the below in the YouTube link so that all of you can explore accordingly if you are interested to move ahead your research in the field of drug discovery. And if you're even planning ahead to integrate AI, so definitely this is really a good database for you, all of you guys. Okay, so all of you can explore this homepage. As you all can see that it will provide a very good information what exactly do contain. Okay, so it is integrated with the recent development screening approach, and it is one of the popular method which is included in the drug repurposing. So it basically perform based on the two approaches, that is first called as a receptor based. Okay, so as you all can see that we can even perform the analysis based on the receptor based approach, and we can even look ahead based on the ligand based screening. Okay, so there is really a good fantastic approach where we can perform both the thing. We can look for the receptor based approach for screening the molecule and even the ligand based screening. So basically whenever we are performing the drug discovery using the computational approach, so it contains computer aided drug discovery based on structure based CAD or the ligand based CAD. So that's why here you can see that it's showing those applications accordingly. And then it will also help us to screen the molecules and even rank accordingly based on the docking score. Okay, so that is again a good thing. Even we can find the similar scores where with the drug informations, and then we can further analyze accordingly. So how you can use this particular database where we can screen the molecules based on the receptor-based screening as well as the ligand-based screening. So that is exactly we are going to discuss in the next part of this particular video. So stay tuned for that so that you can even explore and get to know that how exactly this process we can reach, and then we can come up with respect to your potential drug targets. Thank you.